Ghost. This small backpack outperforms similar products on the market. In addition to carrying everything you need, the backpack protects your personal belongings and can help you keep your devices charged. The backpack, made of a 7-layer material, is shock-resistant, waterproof, and corrosion-proof. It also has a tracker, and in case of loss, you can easily find out where your backpack is. A built-in charger allows you to use your devices on the road as much as you want, without being afraid that they will discharge. The left strap has a convenient pocket to store your cards or cash. The most important compartment of the backpack is divided into several sections for you to place your personal items separately. But the most important thing is that you don't have to worry about the security of your belongings, as the pockets of the Smart Backpack are equipped with special codes that are impossible to hack. You can pre-order this smart backpack for $85.
DoBot M1 is an industrial-level robotic arm production platform. It's precise, fast, and extendable, and also affordable. It can be your 3D printer, laser engraver, soldering machine, or whatever else you build upon it. Yes, you can build one. DoBot M1 has 0.02 millimeters repeatability and 1.5 kilogram payload. With these standardized, easy-to-change heads, you can easily turn this power into productivity. Like 3D printing, it can print your product with fluency and details. 2 colors? No problem. Or use laser to engrave your unfading masterpiece. Or do sophisticated soldering, customizing your PCB circuit board better than a pro. Besides being multifunctional, DoBot M1 is also easy to master and develop. DoBot M1 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. You can connect to multiple arms at once and control them via our app on PC or smartphone. With a Force-sensitive 3D mouse, you can control DoBot M1 as precisely as you want. No more trying and guessing on a confusing software. With its handhold teaching feature, you can input coordinates in the fastest and most intuitive way. DoBot M1 is programmable via the integrated APIs. You can use official or self-built developing environment, or use this visualized programming interface, making things a lot easier. But we don't stop here. DoBot M1 is highly extendable. There are no limits to your imagination on it. The maximum reach of DoBot M1 is 400 millimeters, which is enough for most of the situations. But why don't we think bigger, when it can actually go further? Or use a camera for visual. With its fast and accurate image recognizing algorithm, it can distinguish colors without making one mistake. DoBot M1 loves companions. They can work seamlessly together, processing paperwork way faster than humans could. Ultimately, DoBot M1 is built to replace manpower and production line, working day and night non-stop. The built-in mapping and path planning system provides this excellent mobility, providing inventory management service in your warehouse. To be able to create so much value, DoBot M1 has been built with extraordinary performance. The perfect calibration of the high-performance DC servo motor, harmonic reducer, and kinematic algorithm has brought out the best of both strength and speed.
Introducing Pimax AK VR. When you put on a conventional VR headset, the first thing you notice is that your vision is narrow and surrounded by darkness. But with our headset's 200 degrees of view, you get an expansive, natural view of the virtual world. So you are free to move your eyes and use your peripheral vision to own every corner or defeat every enemy.
Field of view was everything that I've been wanting in virtual reality.
I thought that was like being in VR, and this one is like looking through like tiny binoculars.
A view this wide requires maximum clarity, so we're using a 4K display for each eye, totaling over 16 million pixels, more than 6 times the resolution of current VR headsets.
It was amazing. I couldn't see any pixels. I could read all the text, like kind of far away, no problem.
We've worked hard to make Pimax AK VR a smooth experience, with a high refresh rate and low latency, even on modest hardware.
The clarity of the screen is great. There's no deceitful motion blur that I noticed. It makes you feel the experience than any other headset.
To deliver a complete VR experience, Pimax AK-VR supports full positional tracking and includes 2 positionally tracked controllers, so you can pick up objects and wield weapons. We've also built in speakers to bring realistic sound to your experience, and even added optional eye tracking and hand motion support. This isn't yet another VR hardware product. We're committed to building a complete and open VR system that's fully compatible with mainstream VR content platforms and existing accessories. Our goal is to make
Jammy. Unlike most electric guitars, this one is very small. When folded, it measures only 12.5 inches, and when used, it reaches 20 inches. It can be used without any additional devices or without connection to a smartphone, simply by connecting the headphones or speakers through a standard input on the guitar. The device features steel strings and has several modes of work for guitarists with different levels of experience. For example, free play mode allows you to use the device as a normal electric guitar, listening to what you play through an amplifier or headphones. Use the gadget with a special mobile application to activate other modes, which include a learning program that activates the lights on the guitar to show the user where to place his phalanges. This compact electric guitar comes in 3 colors, red, yellow, and black, for a minimum price of $350.
Zilia ZM1 lets you record multiple instruments simultaneously, and then it separates each individual instrument from the full mix, while at the same time preserving the natural acoustic colour and the audio quality of the individual instrument tracks, something no other product has been capable of achieving up until this point. For musicians, this means unrestricted creativity and introduces a whole new live multi-track recording experience. The Zilia ZM1 was designed from the ground up to let you focus on the most important part, your creativity and your music, using only one microphone. In addition, the Zilia ZM1 is capable of recording high-quality 3D sound, making it an equally great fit for capturing high-order ambisonic audio for use within virtual reality, augmented reality, 360 video, and games. So what does all that mean for you and your band? It enables you to record the whole band at once and capture your musical ideas with absolute freedom and flexibility. It means you can make mixes of your live recorded songs within minutes, or you can just record for a couple of hours and then polish up your songs later. No more worrying about technical setups. There you go, guys, you can start playing right away. So while these guys are working on new material for their upcoming album, let's see what the music community around the world has to say about Zilia ZM1.
Awesome product, 19 microphones on this thing.
I was completely blown away by this technology.
It's breathtaking what they do.
I think this is one of the most innovative products that I've seen in years.
Quality, studio quality, like when they say it's a mobile studio, it's literally a mobile studio.
It looks like an alien egg, like sent back in time from the future to make music better. I don't know. You said there's 19 capsules in here?
It is a pure invitation for being creative.
Whatever you want, it's all there for you. Without all the wires, all the converters, everything is right there, and that's all you need.
It looks great, it feels great, and it sounds amazing.
From taking it out of the box to running, it's 2 minutes.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Got one word for this product: extraordinary.
Okay, our band is all set and done with their recordings. Look, the truth is, creativity flows when you are having fun and able to perform with focus, less distractions, and no boundaries. And ultimately, this is what the ZM1 is all about. All you need to do is position yourselves around Zilia ZM1, connect the USB cable to your computer, and launch the Zilia Studio app to calibrate the instruments. You're now ready to record. Simple.